Hi, and welcome to Using Vectors. In this section, we are going to learn about creating and working with vectors in Clip Studio Paint. We're going to start off with the basics. We'll learn how to make a vector layer and how to start making vector lines. Then we'll learn how to adjust our vectors before we start adding and deleting control points. Finally, we'll learn how to scale and rotate our vector lines. In this video, we're going to start with the very basics of working in vectors. To use vectors in Clip Studio Paint, you'll have to make a vector layer. Let's get started. Let's start with an open canvas in Clip Studio. DPI and dimensions don't really matter for this lesson, so just use something you're comfortable with. One way to make a new vector layer is to click on Layer, New Layer, Vector Layer. Enter a name for the new layer. Choose an option from the Expression Color drop-down menu. If applicable, you can choose a blending mode as well. Click on OK, and the new layer will be created. You can see it here in the layer palette. Alternately, you can click on the new vector layer icon in the layer palette. This generates a new layer with default settings. You can rename it by double-clicking on the new layer. In this video, we have learned the very easy process of creating a vector layer, the first step in beginning to work with vectors in Clip Studio Paint.